The IDEXX Colilert-18 test simultaneously detects both total coliforms and E. coli in multiple water types in just 18 hours. Colilert-18 is available in a 100 milliliter format. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to use the Colilert-18 test with a quantitray system to determine the number of coliforms and E. coli in a water sample. IDEXX offers two sizes of quantitray. Both work with the quantitray sealer. The standard quantitray is a disposable 51 well tray that provides counts up to 200 per 100 ml sample without dilutions. The quantitray 2000 is a disposable 97 well tray that provides counts up to 2419 per 100 ml sample without dilutions. You will need the Colilert-18 reagent, a temperature-controlled incubator or water bath, a sterile transparent non-fluorescing 100 ml vessel, the 6-watt 365 nanometer UV lamp, a quantitray or quantitray 2000, a quantitray comparator, quantitray rubber inserts, a quantitray sealer, and the included most probable number table or the IDEXX automated MPN generator program found at IDEXX.com. All of these items are included in the quantitray system and are available from IDEXX. Turn on the sealer and then wait until a green bar appears on the display. The sealer has now reached operating temperature. Add the Colilert-18 powder to a 100 ml sample and cap the vessel. Shake until the reagent dissolves. Use only a permanent felt tip marker to label the quantitray. Adhesive labels may adhere to the sealer roller and ballpoint pens may puncture the paper. Hold the quantitray at the top with the well side facing your palm. Push the top edge of the quantitray in with your free hand while squeezing the tray into a circle. Open the quantitray by gently pulling the foil tab away from the plastic side. Be careful not to tear the tab. Do not touch the inside of the tray. Pour the sample mixture into the quantitray, avoiding contact with the foil tab. Place the filled quantitray on the rubber insert, making sure each well fits its corresponding hole. Push the insert with the tray into the sealer until the sealer grabs the tray and pulls it into the slot. If you need to reverse the motor, press and hold the reverse button. However, do not reverse the motor if the rubber insert is completely inside the sealer. The sealer distributes the sample mixture into the quantitray wells, seals the wells and partially ejects the sealed tray. Remove the rubber insert and tray from the sealer. Incubate the sealed tray for 18 hours at 36 degrees centigrade plus or minus 2.0 degrees centigrade, or according to your local regulations. If incubating quantitrays in a water bath, do not place trays in a bag. Trays can be submerged as they are. Make sure trays are not touching the bottom of the water bath and make sure trays are completely submerged. After incubation, mark each yellow well with a permanent marker, including the large overflow well. To determine the number of total coliforms, count the yellow wells that are equal to or greater than the comparator and then refer to the MPN table included with the quantitrays. The most probable number of total coliforms for this example is 17.8 per 100 ml. If using quantitray 2000, count the overflow well as a large well. To determine the number of E. coli, view the quantitray with a UV lamp in a dark environment, shining the light away from your eyes. Keep the light within 5 inches of the tray. Count the fluorescent wells that are equal to or greater than the comparator and then refer to the MPN table. The most probable number of E. coli for this example is 8.7 per 100 ml. If you're unsure whether a result is positive, incubate the sample for up to an additional 4 hours, 22 hours in total, to allow the colour and/or the fluorescence to intensify. IDEXX recommends that you run a quality control procedure for each lot of Colilert-18 tests. You will find the quality control procedure in the Colilert-18 product insert. Remember, incubate samples for 18 hours or for up to 22 hours in total. Samples less yellow than the comparator are negative for total coliforms and E. coli. Yellow samples that are equal to or greater than the comparator are positive for total coliforms. Yellow and fluorescent samples that are equal to or greater than the comparator are positive for E. coli. Colilert-18 can also be used to detect E. coli in marine water. Samples must be diluted at least 10-fold. Refer to the Colilert-18 product insert for more information. Please follow these testing guidelines. Store tests at 2 to 25 degrees centigrade and away from light. Use only sterile, non-buffered, oxidant-free water for dilutions. Because these procedures may not reflect your local regulations for compliance testing, be sure to follow all local regulatory procedures. Remember these tips. If a water sample has some background colour, compare the inoculated Colilert-18 sample to a control blank of the same water sample. If excess foaming occurs, use IDEXX antifoam solution or IDEXX antifoam vessels. Always follow aseptic technique when using Colilert-18 and dispose of all samples and materials in accordance with local regulatory guidelines. If you have questions or need more information, call the IDEXX Water microbiology experts at the number on your screen.